There are many ways to buy cryptocurrency, from peer-to-peer arrangements to over-the-counter services to mobile apps like Cash App and eToro. There are even cryptocurrency ATMs where you can quickly convert your national currency into cryptocurrency. But none of these are as common and as popular as cryptocurrency exchanges. These are the on-ramps for those who wish to buy in to the crypto space. These platforms also offer users the opportunity to sell their cryptocurrency, serving as an off-ramp as well. Companies like Coinbase and Binance have created user-friendly websites where a new user can easily create an account, conduct a search, and purchase their preferred cryptocurrency. Exchanges are often subject to government regulation, as they are required to comply with various federal and local laws, depending on the location and the jurisdictions in which they operate. After conducting a transaction, the user has the option to leave the cryptocurrency in their exchange account for access at a later date. However, many users prefer to pull their cryptocurrency off the exchange with the use of a cryptocurrency wallet. Many consider this to be one of the most secure methods to store cryptocurrency after leaving the exchange.